Good afternoon, everyone. I suppose this is, you can consider this the next chapter of my continuing reportage to the people about all of the developments concerning the flood control mess that we are confronting right now. Today, what I will be showing you is because I don't know yung una, there were three phases to the entire process. The first phase was to find out what the ghost projects were, what were the sub-spec projects that were made, what were, etc. Yung problema. The second part is to find out who was responsible so that they can be answerable to the people for whatever it is that they may have done. Kung may kickback na malaki, kung hindi sinong gumawa niyan, hinahanap natin. So that's the second part. The third part is what reforms are we instituting? What did we learn from all of this? From all of this catharsis that we had to go through? What have we learned? One of the things, isa sa pinakamahalagang bagay na maliwanag na lumabas sa lahat ng mga investigasyon, sa lahat ng mga pangyayari, ay nawalan tayo ng transparency. Hindi nakikita ng tao kung ano talaga ang pangyayari sa loob ng pamahalaan. Kaya naman kung ano-anong ginagawa, walang nagsusumbong dahil hindi nakikita na itatago nila. Itong mga wrongdoers na ito, tinatago nila yung kanilang kalokohan. Dahil hindi naman masilip ng pangkaraniwan ng tao, o kahit ang mga opisyal kuminsan. Maalala ninyo, there was a case that a governor wanted to inspect a flood control project. Yung kontratista ayaw papasukin yung governor doon sa mismong, may pulis pa silang kasama, pinigilan yung governor. That's how bad all of the transparency situation was. Kaya tayo nandito ngayon upang i-roll out, that we use that word, the DPWH Transparency Portal. And ito ay isang sistema na ating binuo upang kahit sino, hindi kailangan opisyal, kahit sino, na kung nais nila maghanap ng impormasyon tungkol sa isang project, tungkol sa project sa kanilang lugar, ay maaari nilang gawin. Kaya ito po, yan yung that is the title page. And let us use, namili kami para madaling pag-demonstrate, namili kami ng halimbawa, itong Eliseo Trinidad Access Bridge Project sa Pampanga River. Kung titignan ninyo, gamitin nyo yung search bar, makikita ninyo agad sa portal ang implementing office, ang contractor, ang halaga ng proyekto, ang accomplishment, completion date, at yung report. At agad-agad, kung meron kayong tanong, may issue tungkol sa proyektong yan, pwede niyong pindutin ang report. Yan, kung saan maaari ninyong itag ang proyektong bilang completed, defective, duplicate, unfinished, o ghost. Kung hindi naman, pwede ninyong makita ang ibang impormasyon pa tungkol sa proyekto tulad ng location data, kung nasaan, pati may lagay natin sa mapa, ang location data, map view, at saka yung eksaktong location ng proyekto. Meron ding tab para sa procurement detail. Paano ba pinocure ang mga materials para dito? Kung saan naman makita ang approved budget para sa isang kontrata, mga petsa ng procurement activities, kailan yung mga buying doon sa gamit, kung kailan na-advertise,